we have the Boxycharm, the March and April. This one's March and this one's April. And we're gonna open, it's a monthly subscription box, $21 a month. And it's one of my mom's favorite subscriptions. And we're going to open it, and it's a beauty box.
Let's see what's inside. It has a card here, and it says Lucky Charm. The first thing I see is this little 20% off coupon. Elise, would you like to pull out the next item?
Yes.
This weird thing.
Okay, that's weird. Has a little
A squishy squish.
squishy squish.
Let me see.
This one's like super duper long. Look at that.
Does it smell bad?
Ew, it smells like lotion. And that's a good lotion.
Is Skin Type 1 through 6 Universal Tonic. And it's full size. $48. So it's very, very expensive. What would you like to see the next item? Can you take it out?
I like to do this.
It's upside
How do you do it? Is that nail polish? It's so fat. Yeah, I'm a fat
It's
man.
pretty.
Yeah.
And it is $16. Okay, Annalise, would you like to do the next product?
Yes. This is hair lift. It pretty much like sprayed in your hair now. Lifts it up.
It's Oscar Baldini hair products travel size for $11. Would you like to do the next item?
I see this. I take it out of the box.
It's Tarte Lip Surgeons Lip Tint and Charmed for $24. And it's full size. You should probably take the cap off before you start doing this.
Yeah. Can I see it?
Okay, Annalise, would you like to see the last item?
The last item, probably eyeliner.
The last item is Ofra eyeliner for full size, and it's $13.
Okay. Now,
That was March.
now we're doing April. Here's the card. Caroline, would you like to pull out an item?
The first item I see is this Ofra, it says mineral powder, and the color is pink sapphire.
It's full size and it's $35. Wow, that's a lot of money. Whoa.
This is where it looks good. Oh,
Powder
gosh, powder everywhere. Okay, Wyatt, would you like to pull out an item?
Yes. I say the long one. No, I wasn't expecting that. Is a Longo Doco lip pencil.
A duo lip pencil.
It's full size and it's $26 by itself.
They're both the
That's
same.
pretty expensive.
They're both the same pencil.
It's two different colors.
Okay. The next item is Harvey Prince. I think it's
mini.
perfume. Oh, I was right.
It's a mini, and for
Let's see what
the mini is $21.
Oh, it's the rolly one.
Ooh, Rolly, can I see it? There's also like Rolly oils.
It smells like cologne.
Oh, that's probably what it is. I like it. I mean,
Okay, Wyatt, would you like to pull out the next item?
ooh.
Yes.
There's no supposed to be.
I'm gonna get. I got the long one, and now I got the fat one.
Wow.
Okay.
It's Cool Way Smoothing Lotion.
Yep.
Look how big this thing is.
It's $24. $24.95 by itself, and
that thing.
it's full size. No.
Hello.
Oh yeah, it's conditioning lotion.
This is hello. Hello.
Apply as needed to damp or dry hair and style as usual. So,
This
and
is a bonus. It doesn't have it on the card.
the last thing is
Oh,
a
yes, it does.
revealed makeup palette.
And it's $39.95 by itself.
That's kind of mean.
All right,
Whoa.
here are the colors.
They're small.
They're very nice, and I think my mom would like to use this a lot.
Yes. That was our Boxycharm, and it's the April, $21 a month. And goodbye, humans. Don't like and subscribe.